This is Samsung Galaxy F14, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install the GCam app on it. So to start, I recommend that you use the Google search bar. You can use any other search engine if you'd like to, but I always opt for Google and it works every time, so it's, well, very, how do you put it? Not respectable, but rather easy to rely on, or reliable, that's the word. So open the search bar, type in the GCam query. Usually I'm getting the app from this website, and most of the times it pops up first among other search results, so you should probably get it first as well. If not, just look for it. In here, at the Google camera port page, go for the For New Users suggested versions, or tap at the suggested versions hyperlink. Then just opt for the newest version of the Google camera port, the most recent one. Then tap at the download file over here. Choose the download anyway option. And now, since the app size is pretty high for a mobile app, as you can see, it's almost 367 megabytes in file size, it will take some time, a good minute or two, depending on how strong and good your Wi-Fi connection is, to get this file downloaded. So now we'll just simply wait for it to happen. Alrighty, so after the file has gotten successfully downloaded, you will need to install the GCam by tapping on it, waiting for the installation to start. In here, I will need to grant or allow Google Chrome to install unknown apps, which you will also have to do for your respective browser. Then just confirm the installation and simply wait for the camera app to get successfully installed. Alrighty, so as you can see, the app is installed, so all that is left to do for you is to launch it and enjoy the GCamera or Google camera port. Or actually, it's not all. You obviously have to grant and give all the permissions that it asks for in order for it to properly work. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.